Let us show you how to set up SAANS in HFNC mode. You primarily need 4 components to use SAANS in HFNC mode: SAANS device, oxygen connector tube, HFNC consumables packet, humidifier and temperature probes. First, make sure the SAANS device is mounted on trolley or placed on a stable flat surface. And make sure that all the above mentioned components are easily reachable. Then open the HFNC consumables packet. It should contain the following components: water chamber, humidifier limb, single limb heated wire circuit, HFNC cannula. Now connect the power cord into the port provided in the back side of the device. You can see the oxygen tube connecting port to the right side of the power port, and carefully connect the tube to the device by pushing it in. Gently lift the ring above the port to disconnect the oxygen cable. Now move on to the humidifier setup. Connect the blue cable or the temperature probe to the temperature probe socket. Make sure to align the probe properly. Be extremely careful with the other end of the blue cable. It is very sensitive to force and can break easily. Connect the yellow cable or the heating probe to the heater wire socket. Insert the water chamber by sliding it onto the humidifier. It is now secure inside the latch. The water chamber can be removed by pushing the latch down. Connect one end of the humidifier limb to the water chamber and the other to the patient output of the device. Connect one end of the heated wire circuit to the water chamber and the other end to the cannula. Connect the heated probe to the heated wire circuit near the water chamber. Connect the temperature probe to the heated wire limb near the patient's end. Be very careful with this end because it's extremely fragile. SAANS device setup. Switch on the device by gently pushing the power button. Once the device is switched on, you will see the battery and available mode. Make sure the device is plugged in if the battery is below 30%. Use the knob to move to the HFNC mode and gently press it to select. You can also change the values of flow and FiO2 by using the knob. Knob can be turned clockwise to increase and anti-clockwise to decrease the values. After you are satisfied with the values, select the Start button to start the therapy. Give the device about 2 minutes to reach the set values. The device also provides visual information to compare the set and actual values. You can pause the therapy by pressing the pause button, but that doesn't turn off the device. It simply pauses the therapy. You can resume the therapy by pressing the resume button. The airflow as well as FiO2 values can be edited using the modify button. To start a new therapy with the new values, press start again. To stop the therapy, press the stop button. Your SAANS device setup for HFNC is now complete. Please feel free to contact InnAccel at info@innaccel.com or +91 804092 3864 for any assistance.